Choose grout color for a laundry room floor by balancing aesthetics with maintenance needs so the room looks intentional and stays clean longer. Start by assessing the tile color, finish, and pattern so the grout either blends for a seamless look or contrasts to highlight layout. For light uniform tiles, pick a mid-tone grout rather than pure white to hide soap scum and detergent stains while keeping brightness. For patterned or multi-tone tiles, choose a grout that complements the dominant hue, but leans slightly darker to prevent grout lines from overpowering the pattern during normal soiling. Consider the tile finish because honed or matte tiles hide marks better than high gloss, and so the grout choice can afford to be lighter. Always test a sample area with the actual cleaning products you plan to use, and let it cure fully before deciding because some sealers and cleaners change appearance. Finally, use a sanded grout for joints wider than 1/8 inch and an unsanded grout for narrower joints to ensure durability and avoid shrinkage. People often pick pure white grout for cleanliness only to face frequent staining, so choose a practical lighter, neutral, or toned gray and seal if necessary to reduce staining. Another common mistake is selecting grout that contrasts too sharply with tile, which can make the small laundry space feel busy. Correct this by testing larger swaths of installed grout to see the real visual impact. A third issue is neglecting grout joint width and type, which leads to cracking or poor adhesion, so match sanded versus unsanded grout to joint size and follow manufacturer mixing ratios and curing times. We maintain bighomeprojects.com as a place where homeowners can find local contractors and where contractors can find work related to tile and grout projects. We also host an active discussion community so users can ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice on grout color choices and maintenance.